guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in my bathroom. We're about to do another wig installation video. As you can see, I look cute. My hair is in a bunny, which is why I decided that I was gonna do the introduction you know, like this. We don't usually do wig reviews like this. So I hope you watch the rest of the video, and I hope you're going to enjoy the little chats that we're about to get into, because I'm about to give you gist now. So before we get into gist, let me give you the lowdown on this wig. It came in this cute pink package. The wig today is from ISEE Hair. Guys, I felt like I actually went to the wig shop and shopped for it, because I mean, this packaging, child, it's pink and it's so pretty. So the box, it's just giving luxe, man. Everything about this wig, ISEE Hair, thank you so much, because this gave the whole experience. So when we opened up, it was like unboxing a luxury bag, because it was just packaged so nicely. Open it up, there is a satin bonnet and it's filled with goodies. So I'm gonna show you the goodies. I got this 6-pack, yes, a 6-pack of lashes, and they're all so gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear them. Then it had this little envelope. I've never seen one of these before, but when I opened it, it had one of the silicone wig straps, so they gave me an extra strap. And it did come with some detachable combs. They gave me 2 wig caps, 1 HD. And then this is what the bonnet looks like. It's so pretty and pink, and it's gonna match with a lot of my PJs. I had to try it on. How cute is that? Wee. Alright. Then they sent this wig cap. I've never seen a wig cap like this before, but I'm kind of happy about it, because I mean, that means I've got an additional wig cap, and I'm pretty sure this will help flatten out my relaxed hair if I put it on. That lace is HD. I hope you can see it's got HD lace. Normal ball cap method, not that I ever did the ball cap method anyway, but yeah, anyway, let's unpack this wig. It is a 20-inch 9x6 HD closure yaki texture wig. I've never tried yaki textured hair, and when they said they were going to send me that hair, I was a little bit freaked out, but I said I would try it. This is what the wig looks like on the inside. It's got the usual wig strap, and then it's got the wig combs at the back. It looks like this. I think I'm gonna have to straighten it. It is lightweight and silky, to my surprise. I thought yaki textured hair would be tangly and stuff. So let's throw that wig on, child. Ooh. The wig is a little bit tight. I am gonna have to adjust that strap. But now let's get into the tea, my love. So I want to give you guys tea. A lot of people are in my DMs asking me to give them wigs and stuff from my wig reviews. I understand it can look like I have a lot of wigs, but I give my wigs to my friends and family, and they actually buy them from me. I don't just give them to them. But yeah, anyway, I sell my wigs to my friends and family. The other ones I just keep. I feel like it's just a lot of hassle selling the wigs and stuff, because I've done it in the past and there was a lot of traffic and all that good stuff. But anyway, if you are a content creator and you're trying to get into wig reviews, I started out when I had about 300 subscribers on YouTube, and what I did was I would watch other creators' videos where they're reviewing wigs, and when they did that, in the description box normally there's an email where you can contact these brands, and I created a template. An email template, where I send it out to brands telling them who I am, what I do, and that I would like to work with them. And then I give them a proposal, give them a video proposal. I'd like to do a video like this or that. And because you're starting out, because you have a low number of followers or subscribers or whatever, you will have to start working for free initially. But if you're one of those big people with the big numbers and the followings and stuff, then you can start getting paid. But yeah, I just gave you a very big tip. I hope you use it. for me it was very easy to contact these brands, but now I'm at a place where the brands see my work, they're impressed with my work and the quality, and then they ask to send me the wigs and stuff. We negotiate a price, the wig comes, I do the work. Most companies don't actually care about the number of views or likes or comments you get on these videos. All they want is for you to put the details in the description box, maybe put the link in the bio of your TikTok or Instagram or your link tree or whatever. That is what they want. So yeah, don't let, small following or the fact that you're starting out freak you out. We all had to start somewhere. Sometimes the growth is slow, but if you keep at it, it is going to pay off. And that is literally what I wanted to tell you guys. If you follow me on Instagram and you're like an up-and-coming content creator, I love to connect and talk to and share tips and stuff like that. So yeah, feel free to hit me up on Instagram if you have questions and stuff about that. I would gladly help you. But yeah, I'm not exactly going to type out the email for you and stuff. I'm just saying, if you have questions or need clarity on something, hit me up and I will help. Back to this wig though. So you guys can see I did not put any glue on it. I just used some lace melt spray, put on the strap just so it could blend a little bit better, and I went in with my hot comb. This hair is very silky, like it is very silky, and I'm about to straighten it just to get it straight because it did bend a bit while it was in transit from China to South Africa. So I'm going in with my Tony & Guy XXL white plate straightener. I love this thing, probably the hottest straightener I've ever gotten, and I'm just going to run it through a few times just to make that top hair look a lot straighter. But honestly speaking, I'm impressed with this wig. It's giving a frontal look in the front because it is a 9x6 HD closure wig. Love that because that means we have a lot of parting space. And then I'm just going to straighten the other side of the wig. Yaki textured hair, it's a yes from me. I didn't think I would like it because you guys know I'm a bone straight silky hair kind of girly, but this yaki texture is definitely giving what it's supposed to give, and I definitely do like it. So I took the band off and baby, tell me that's not growing from my scalp. Please tell me that is not growing from my scalp. I wanted to conceal the lace a little bit because in some areas it was a little bit light for my forehead. It wasn't matching with my foundation, so I used a contour powder from my Hermosa Flow face palette. And yeah, that is it for the wig install. Honestly speaking, I am super happy. Like, this hair moves like it's a straight hair unit, and yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. I'm thrilled. Thank you so much, ISEE Hair, for sending me this wig. I am absolutely happy. Yeah, the wig is installed. It is completely glueless. I just used some lace melt spray and a little bit of contour powder for it. I'm sorry, I know it's a little bit dark in here, but let's do this. So, okay, yeah, but anyway, wig is installed. I absolutely love this texture. Love it. Like, I didn't think yaki hair would have so much movement and it would be so light. It is absolutely light. It has movement, and as you can see, my fingers are moving very freely through it. So yeah, ISEE Hair did the things on this wig. I'm going to leave all the details for you in the description box down below. Let me know if you will be trying a yaki textured wig. There is also going to be a discount code for those who want to save some shmoney, honey. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a big thumbs up at the bottom if you did. I will see you in the next one.